Hello guys, this is Bhavya here and you are watching me on Bhavya Glam. So as the Holi festival is about to over and now you all guys are facing the problem of how to remove Holi color from your skin. So no worries, I have the solution for it. So watch this home remedies to remove your Holi color from your face. Tip number 1. First wash your skin with cold water and try to gently remove the colors by sliding them off, as the oil applied beforehand would help in this. If you are not able to do satisfactorily, rub sliced lemon over the skin to remove the stains. Lemon is a natural bleaching agent that is useful for getting rid of color stains. Leave it for 15 minutes and apply plenty of moisturizer after that. Cleanser can also be used. Now use lukewarm water to take a bath with mild moisturizer soap. Do not try to force clean the stains by vigorous rubbing, as that can cause skin irritation and dryness. Tip number 2. If you want to remove oil paint from your face, mustard or coconut oil can be used. Use cotton to apply the oil on your face and rise it off gently with both the hands. Tip number 3. If you want to remove gulal or dry color from your mind, never make the mistake of pouring water to wash it off. This only spreads the gulal all over your body and makes it stick. You need to try to dust away the gulal by using dry hand first and use water only when this does not work. Tip number 4. For washing the color of your hair, use a mild herbal shampoo or a homemade one. Soak shikakai, riha and amla or Indian gooseberry overnight. Boil and strain it in the morning and you have a very good shampoo ready. If you had already applied the oil to your hair before playing with colors, it would not be too difficult to wash the colors off. Tip number 5. In case you are having trouble removing color from your hair, take 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix it in a cup of curd. Apply this mixture on your scalp and rise it. Use herbal shampoo or homemade shampoo mentioned above to wash the mixture off. So that's it guys, as you have learned from this video that how to remove the Holi color from your skin and your hair. If you like my today's video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, stay glamorous and stay beautiful with Bhavya Glam. And I will catch you in my next video soon. Bye.